Indian Army is renowned for its professionalism and secularism. Our correspondent Nandita Dagar visited a forward post along the LOC and filed this report on the ethos of the Indian Army.
This is the Nowshera sector of Jammu and Kashmir. We are at the LOC. This is the place which Brigadier Mohammad Usman of our army defended with his life. During the 1947-48 war with Pakistan, Mahavir Chakra Brigadier Mohammad Usman recaptured Jhangar of Rajouri from the Pakistani army and defended Nowshera. That is why we refer to him as the Lion of Nowshera. But his mission is still being kept alive by our army troops who are stemming infiltration by terrorists from Pakistan and eliminating them. Today, these troops are armed with state-of-the-art technology.
ये नॉर्वे से ख़रीदा गया है और जो कि जैसे हम अम्बुश जाते हैं, पेट्रोलिंग जाते हैं, उससे पहले हम रास्ते को सैनिटाइज़ करते हैं, तो इसके द्वारा हम रास्ते को सैनिटाइज़ कर सकते हैं जिससे कि हमारे जो भी जवान हैं उनकी जान बच सके। ये इतना छोटा है कि जैसे आप दुश्मन इसको देख भी नहीं पाएगा और इसकी आवाज़ भी दुश्मन तक नहीं पहुंचेगी।
What is it that makes our army men put their lives in peril for the nation? Faith in a higher power is one such factor. A mandir or a temple parade being held at the rear headquarters of a battalion here at the LOC in Nowshera. And it's not just a temple parade because our army is an army which is very secular. It believes in all faiths and has soldiers from all faiths, all religions. It believes in Sarv Dharm Sambhav. Therefore, the Indian Army, apart from having a temple parade, also has a mosque parade or a masjid parade, also has a Gurudwara parade and a church parade. All festivals, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, are celebrated with equal fervor. Here at this forward post of a battalion in Nowshera at the LOC is a very special place. So much so that this forward post derives its name from the Khori Baba. It's known as the Khori Baba post. You can call it a Khori Baba Dargah or call it a Khori Baba Mandir, but this is the place the army troops converge in the mornings and evenings and they pray here. Khori Baba was a mortal man who lived here in 1947-48 when Pakistani raiders along with the Pakistani military tried to invade. Khori Baba was the one who gave shelter to the local villagers and he also gave it his best and countered the Pakistani military. Now the troops at this post very ardently believe that it was Khori Baba and his blessings that kept this post secure during the relentless artillery shelling and firing by the Pakistanis during Operation Sindoor, the first few days of Operation Sindoor. That's faith and you can't argue with faith. With camera person Dhiman at Nowshera at the LOC, this is Nandita Dagar for DD India.